Hey everyone, Amy Warden here with Great Cake Soapworks, and if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I've been working on a dual lye shaving soap, and it's all based on this book right here, How to Make Shaving Soap by Carrie Siebert. And I got the pleasure of meeting Carrie at the Alabama Soap and Candle meeting last June, and she and her husband Darren run Soap Commander, and they know all about shaving soap, let me tell you. So I have created a recipe that I will share with you. If you would like to create your own recipe, I highly recommend that you purchase the book by Carrie so that you can figure out how to do this. And I have made 2 batches so far. Both of them have volcanoed. So I am hoping the 3rd time's the charm. I really believe that if I can add my lye solution really slowly and stir it in as I go, maybe I can avoid the volcano this time. So I'm ready to get started, and I'll show you what I've got going on here. So I've gone ahead and melted my stearic acid and my oils. One of the keys to a really great shaving soap is a lot of the palmitic acid, and you get that from stearic acid, you get it from palm oil and shea butter, and there may be a few others, but stearic acid has the most. So this is a 50% stearic acid recipe. And the temperature of this right now is about 120. I need it to get up to about 160. So you can see we're working with really hot temperatures, and this is basically a modified cold process recipe that behaves a lot like hot process. So what are the 2 lyes? Well, you need sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. And I have not measured those out yet, but here's my water all ready to go. It's nice and cold. I've got some ice cubes in there even. So basically this lye solution needs to be super hot when I add it to my oils. So I am waiting to do that, and once it's all fully incorporated, then I will toss it in with the oils. Also, one of the keys to a good shaving soap is glycerin. So this is my glycerin weighed out with the fragrance mixed in, and that will go in at the very end. But right now I need to heat this up some more, so this is one of the reasons why I'm at my stove, because I've got my microwave right up here, and then also, you know, in case of a volcano, which hopefully won't happen this time. So let me get this heated up and I'll be right back. All right, I've got my oils up to 166 degrees now, so that should be good. So let's start with the sodium hydroxide. Oh, you know what? I'm weighing it out into a separate container first, just to make sure that I get the right amounts. And I'm turning on my vent fan. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and dump this in all at once and then stir it up under the fan, which vents out into my garage. So it's going to get really hot because of the potassium hydroxide. But we just want to stir until the solution gets clear again. Alright, I had to reheat my oils again because it's January and nothing wants to stay hot. The lye solution never did get super hot, so it's right at 120. And yes, I'm going to add this very slowly. Oh, still. Look at that, it's foaming up already. See if it'll calm down after that initial shock. Not having trouble now. Oh boy. Oh, here we go. Yep. That was close. Hey, all the lye is in there. We've got kind of an applesauce looking mixture, so time to get the stick blender in there and pull it together. Getting thick. All right, time to stir by hand. Oh, I can just feel the heat radiating up out of the soap. All right, starting to loosen up now. It's gonna get translucent. And then it'll be ready to add the glycerin and the fragrance. I think we're there. This is the part where you have to be careful when you're stirring in glycerin because it'll slosh around. All right, I think we're ready to put it in the mold. So it's nice if you have some individual round puck molds for shaving soap. This is a test batch, so I'm just putting it in a regular log mold. And that'll be fine for this. You can put it in a PVC pipe and then slice it. But this is pretty close to a hot process, so it doesn't require a lot of cure time. As soon as it cools down, you can use it, because it should be fully saponified. But you may want to wait a little while to let it cure a bit, see if the bubbles get better. All right, there it is, and I can't wait to test it. Check that out. That doesn't look like shaving cream. I don't know what does. That's really cool. I hope you guys will try this soap. Let me know how it works for you. Yay!